Doug Thompson here. We're in the shop and I'm going to build for my friend one of these really useful kind of hold down fixtures. I use this a lot with TIG welding. So one of the advantages of this kind of little hold down fixture is you may not be able to get in easily and clamp off a project. They're going to carry a ground. They're going to hold really unusual pieces together, especially when you got to do a lot of them. You can quickly set up to weld over and over and over. There are a lot of different designs out there. I like to have a broad base here that's a cylinder so that it can change angles very easily. And I like to have a weight here kind of at this point, and then the part that touches off on the piece, I'd like it just be pointed like that, because that way you hold a relatively thin section thusly. And I'm using this cylinder. I found it in the shops and places, nice and heavy. I'm going to go ahead and grind this portion down and bend it. And then I've already cut out this piece of 3/4 inch round, and I've polished all of the scale off of it so you can get really good ground irrespective of where you are. And just for fun, I went ahead and did this kind of twist, counter twist, twist arrangement on a piece of 5/8 inch square solid. And then that's going to be what the back portion of it is going to be, just as an interesting feature. My friend Steve is very artistic, and I thought it'd be fun to do that. I'm on the far end of that cylinder so that it'll hold it down in a nice plane. The 1-2 block there. That's all I let off. Break.